Instantly, Atleti looking to get themselves into a good Atleti territory with the header. And now Foden, Silva looking for Haaland, and the effort over the top by Alvarez. Always leaning back, but it's that slick City passing that took them to roaring success last time around. Atleti on the run up to the edge of the area. And Morata's ball, well, it should have been easily done. City when he moved into that hybrid role with a brilliant ball to Grealish. May drop here for Silva. Into Alvarez, who tries to slip the ball through and does find Haaland. His first effort of the game. Just listen to the excitement here as Haaland gets onto the ball. Fabulous goal-scoring season last season. Sat amongst these substitutes today. Wonderful ball in behind for Manchester City, but so injured. Argentinian Rodrigo de Paul onto Griezmann again, and Laporte. Grealish moving this way, and that looking for Haaland. Grealish darting, looking for Haaland. Wasn't too far away. Koke's pass intercepted. Room here for Haaland. Fabulous ball, and there is space beyond Jack Grealish. Ball again, seeing plenty of it in the early stages here. Here's Foden now combining with Alvarez. Manchester City defence able to recover. Rodrigo de Paul is shoved on the edge of the area, right in front of the referee. Alvarez made no attempt to play the ball either. Really well. It's Grealish onto Haaland. Haaland trying to turn provider, and as Piliqueta is back to make the challenge and turn away. Well, it was Samuel Lino who lost the ball in this. Grealish lifts one towards Laporte, who does well to chest that one down. Foden from the opposite side. Again towards the back of the area. Well, the ball is in the back of the net. It's Rodri who's there. Foul on Koke though in the middle. The whistle had gone a long time before. And the celebrations march towards the edge of the area. The ball towards Haaland. Was there a push? Griezmann now slipping the ball through, and it's Lino who's the way to cut it back. Was looking for. Has found Stones now. Stones had a chance to play it to Walker. Instead, Rodri. Nice turn by Foden. And now an option on the left-hand side. Work to do here for Kyle Walker. The cross does come in. And Morata perhaps should have done better. Fabulous ball in to find the former Chelsea striker, who could have been in amongst the Atleti substitutes. Lovely ball by Silva. Away goes Foden. And Atletico Madrid are very nearly punished for missing that chance at the other end of the field. The vision here from Silva is absolutely... Another burst of energy from Silva. And then makes his way up into the area waiting for support. Clips one into the box. Lamar, well, he just couldn't keep his feet as the ball was shifted through to him. Stumbled, allowed Edison to collect, and in turn up on the left hand side here, swept in by Laporte. Rising is Haaland. No messing around from the Barnsley Beckenbauer, as he's now so often referred to. City trying to go up through the gears before half-time. Here's a chance for Alvarez, who was looking to lift it over the top of Oblak. Rodri has a look up. Foden plays the ball on. First half, but the game is still goalless. Complete contrast to one another. Two very different styles. City dominating the ball. Rodri has found Kyle Walker, and Haaland was there looking to apply the final touch. Just unable to reach it, just over the top of his head. millimetres away. There's the ball delivered in. Griezmann takes in towards Morata, and the effort on the goal line is just about palmed away. Atletico Madrid claiming that that one has crossed the goal line, but it's the substitutes. Foden. And an effort through the crowd, crashed onto the crossbar for Manchester City by Kyle Walker of all people. The captain comes close to finally breaking the deadlock here. Lifts one through, lovely ball with the outside of the boots. Atletico Madrid have been opened up here and they may be in trouble. Gribic is back there. And Alvarez, who has a golden opportunity, sends the ball sailing over the top of the bar. Is there space for him in this Manchester City team? Well, a beautiful pass at one end, and then a clumsy challenge at the other. Griezmann sends the ball into a more central spot. Depay, who had a really tough season last season with injury, really struggled to make his mark. Diego Simeone describing him as a player with a point to prove. Always around the corner. Llorente, it could be in here. Atletico Madrid. The chance though, poked wide by Correa. Couldn't apply that final touch. Pablo Barrios this time made his way into the area. Correa this time laying the ball off. And that's a super strike from Memphis Depay. Well, they threatened just moments ago to open the scoring here. Correa with a glorious chance. This time laying off to Memphis Depay with a point to prove. Alvarez. Space on the right-hand side here for Manchester City to exploit. Rico Lewis is away. Have been a signing that raised a few eyebrows. But he's been pretty good here tonight, and again, and it's Llorente up into a good position. There's the cutback, and it's very nearly goal number 2 for Memphis Depay. The initial effort certainly not one of his best, but he managed to get to the rebounds. Now they can look to turn defence into attack with Carrasco leading the charge here. It's Yannick Carrasco for Atletico Madrid, whose deflected effort creeps in. Underneath Stephen Ortega Moreno it goes. And in a flash they are now 2 goals ahead. All smiles for Diego Simeone's side. Calvin Phillips. 10 goals in 45 appearances. Gomez with the corner, and City do find the breakthrough. Ruben Diaz there to meet the header and to pull a goal back to make it Manchester City 1, Atletico 2. Portuguese international